Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki. I'm going to do a haul for you today from a company called BB Crafts. They are a craft supply, bead supply company. I'll link their information below. They have so many unique items, you guys. Just let me show you what I got here. So the first thing that I got was this. First of all, a cute little container. I love when things come in containers. It makes it so easy to store. But these are like heavy glass beads. Like this container is heavy and it is 10 different colors and they're kind of a muted glass, which I love, like that they're matte. Really nice tight lid on there, but look at those colors. They are just gorgeous. This pink is so vibrant, and the yellow and the teal. Like I said, they're a matte color. And you can see, or you can hear when I put them back in, that they are glass and not plastic, so they've got some weight to them. So I've got these. I seriously want to use these in some summer collections. These three colors right here are just to die for. I cannot wait to use these. Like I said, that comes in such a nice tight container. Those are not going anywhere. The next item I picked out, I cannot wait to use these. These were so cute. They're little wire-shaped flowers, and I had never seen anything like this before. So they look like this in all of these colors. Aren't those so fun? Like you put a jump ring on it and you can just dangle it from a project. I'm trying to see if I have all of the colors up here. I think I do. So there's orange, purple, yellow, green, blue, and a peach color. Yep, I think that's it. I cannot wait. Those will be so fun to use. Like I can just picture them on a dangle charm, or even like attached, even with just a single jump ring and just this hanging down on like the corner of a Memorydex card or a corner of a embellishment tag or something. I think those will be really fun to work with. The next thing I got were a bigger supply of these bulb clothing pins. So I had gotten an order on Amazon, and when I ordered, I didn't realize that they didn't come in pink. And you don't realize how much you use pink until you don't have pink to choose from. So when I looked at BB Crafts, I noticed that they had this container with like over twice as many different colors. So I decided to pick this up just for more variety. This comes with actually like 3 different shades of pink here. This is a, a real pink, this is a mauve, and this is like a maroon kind of color. But they've got copper, they've got bronze, they've got brown, they have 3 different greens. This is like an army green or olive green. This is a bright Kelly green, and this is a shiny green, which I think is so fun for Christmas. They've got like a pewter here, another like brownish color there, gray and red, 2 different shades of blue, 2 different shades of purple and orange, gold and silver, white, black. I mean, any color you could ask for, even like this cream color, this blue, which is like a Maggie Holmes blue. She uses this in so many different things, and I never have this color. So yeah, I'm excited about this. And then the last thing that I got was just this variety pack of beads. And I ended up getting this just because I was having such a hard time trying to figure out which beads I wanted. And this variety pack gave me so many different choices. I think, oh God, there's gotta be 200 beads in here at least. And these are all shiny and fun. I mean, this ring, I can see just attaching a jump ring. That'll look cute on a dangle charm. There's stars and butterflies and these adorable circle beads with like the white centers. There's some matte beads in here. There's bows. There's tiny little candies. Look at that tiny little candy. That is so cute. Little hearts. Flowers there. Just some faceted beads. These beads are plastic. Here's some more of those circle ones. I think these ring ones are going to be really fun. There's another butterfly in red. And these are all bright colors. Every color of the rainbow that you can imagine. These muted ones are just really interesting too, are the matte colors. I love those. There's some hearts, lots of different stars. Oh, these little candies are just so super cute. Look at these. They're so adorable. I see another one in purple right here. Yeah, I think these will be really fun for summer crafting. I'm excited to try these. I think even, I mean, just look at these colors together. That is just so yummy. I love it. I'm really excited to try these. I'm gonna leave the link, guys, below for all of the products that I showed here. BB Crafts does have a program where if you have a YouTube channel with even as low as 100 subscribers, you can contact them and they will send you $40 worth of product for you to show and do projects with free of charge. So that's what you're seeing here. These are the products I picked out and I seriously cannot wait to start crafting with them. I am super happy with what I received. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.